Today, we're getting straight into it. Because food is expensive, time is tight, and if you've ever looked at your receipts and thought, why did I spend that much? This is for you. We're going through 21 affordable meal prep ideas you can realistically do with Aldi and Costco in 2026, and the goal is simple: help you spend less, waste less, and still eat food that actually tastes good. Restaurants are still rising faster than groceries in 2026, so if you want your budget to feel easier this year, meal prep is one of the cleanest ways you can do it. With that being said, let's get into the ideas. We'll go idea by idea, and I'm going to describe what to buy, where you'll usually find it, how to prep it, and who it's perfect for. To start, we have breakfast and easy morning wins. Meal prep idea number 1 are Aldi overnight oats. This is one of the easiest starts because there's no cooking. You're grabbing rolled oats, Greek yogurt, and frozen berries. You'll usually find the oats in the baking or breakfast aisle, yogurt in the refrigeration dairy section, and frozen fruit in the freezer aisle. The prep is simple: mix oats and yogurt, add berries, and portion into jars or containers. This is perfect for anyone who wants something filling but not heavy. If you go to the gym, this is an easy way to start your day with protein from the yogurt, and if you struggle with breakfast because mornings are rushed, this is the kind of meal you can eat in the car or at your desk without thinking about it. One tip that makes it stay better is keeping the berries on top so it doesn't get too watery. Meal prep idea number 2 are Costco smoothie packs. This is for people who want breakfast fast but still want something that feels fresh. You're using Costco frozen fruit, spinach, and your protein powder if you use one, then blending with milk or plain Greek yogurt. The trick is pre-portioning the freezer bags so you aren't digging through bags every morning. Frozen fruit is usually in the big freezer sections, spinach is in produce, and the large tubs of yogurt are in dairy. This is a great option for people trying to control calories without feeling like they're dieting because you can keep it high volume with spinach and fruit and still hit protein with yogurt. It's also a great way to avoid wasting produce because frozen fruit is predictable and lasts. Meal prep idea number 3 are Aldi sheet pan pancakes. If you've ever tried to meal prep pancakes one by one, you already know it becomes a whole project. This fixes that. Use a pancake mix you like, pour it into a sheet pan, bake it, slice it, and freeze portions. Then you can toast them or microwave them. This is perfect for families, and it's also good if you want something that feels like a treat but still controlled because you're portioning it ahead of time. Keep toppings simple so it reheats clean. At number 4, we have Costco high protein chicken Caesar wraps. This is a weak lunch solution that feels like something you'd buy, but you made it. Shred rotisserie chicken, toss Caesar salad, and wrap it in a higher protein wrap option if you use those. Costco is a goldmine for these minimal effort combos. The reason this is an easy prep is that it's easy to scale. Make 4 to 6 wraps, wrap them in foil, and you've got grab and go. This is perfect for gym people who want high protein without cooking every day. Now we have lunch and dinner meal preps that save real money. At number 5, we have Aldi mason jar salads. People mess this one up because they build it like a normal salad, and then it gets sad by day 2. The correct way is dressing first, then hearty veggies like cucumbers or peppers, then proteins if you want, then greens on top. That layering is why it stays crisp for multiple days. You'll find most of this in produce and refrigerated sections. This is perfect if you want something lighter, and it's also good if you tend to snack when you're stressed, because having a pre-made crisp salad makes it easier to stay on track. The 6th meal prep idea is Costco chicken salad wraps. This is one of those Costco hacks that's almost unfair. Costco sells a big tub of pre-made chicken salad, nearly 3 pounds, and that's enough to get a week of lunches for a lot of people. You grab wraps or croissants, add lettuce if you want crunch, and you're done. This is perfect for anyone who wants minimal cooking, and it's also good for busy parents because it's fast. The thing to know is texture. Chicken salad is best when you prep it the night before, not 5 days ahead in a wrap. So store the chicken salad separately and assemble quickly. Meal prep idea number 7 are Aldi hard-boiled boiled eggs with sliced veggies. This is the classic high protein snack or quick breakfast. Eggs are one of the lowest cost ways to get protein, and egg prices are forecast to decline in 2026, though exact store prices vary. Boil a dozen, keep them peeled, and pair with sliced veggies. This works for anyone trying to stay full longer, and it's great if you tend to buy random snacks that don't actually satisfy you. It also fits a lower calorie approach because it's portionable and simple. At number 8, we have Costco rotisserie chicken 3 ways. This is the king of affordable protein meal prep. Costco's whole rotisserie chicken is $4.99, and it has held that price for over 15 years. You can stretch one chicken into 3 to 4 meals, and that's why it's such a big deal for budget meal prep. Here's the move. Meal 1 is simple chicken with sides. Meal 2 is tacos, bowls, or wrap. Meal 3 is soup. If you want to go even further, simmer the carcass to make broth. This is perfect for families, gym people, and anyone trying to stop ordering food because they feel like they have nothing ready. One nutrition note, the chicken has a notable sodium level around 460 milligrams per 3 ounces, so if you're watching salt, balance it with lower sodium sides and more fresh foods. At number 9, we have Aldi rice bowls that you can customize. This is one of the most practical meal prep systems because it's not just one meal, it's a format. You cook brown rice, add black beans, roasted veggies, and your protein of choice. Rice and beans are cheap, filling, and flexible, and it's also easy to make it higher protein by adding chicken, tuna, or Greek yogurt-based sauces. You'll find rice in dry goods, beaned canned, and veggies in produce or frozen. This is perfect if you get bored easily because you can change flavors without changing the base. At number 10, we have Costco cauliflower rice bowls for lower calories. If you want the bowl format but you're trying to stay lighter, Costco cauliflower rice is an easy swap. It's a bulk frozen item that works well in stir fries and bowls. This is great for anyone trying to reduce calories while still eating a big portion, and it's good for people who feel sleepy after heavy lunches because this tends to sit lighter. At number 11, we have Aldi Crockpot Chicken Tiki Masala style meal prep. This is a set it and forget it type meal. Chicken thighs, coconut milk, and a simmer sauce, then serve it over rice. It's a great meal for people who want comfort food but don't want to spend a lot. And it's also a strong option for families because the batch size is big. The key is portioning it right away so you don't end up eating a mountain of it in one night, then nothing later. At number 12, we have Costco meatball marinara subs that feel like a cheat meal. This is that fast dinner that feels like something you'd buy. Simmer frozen meatballs in marinara, add mozzarella, and serve on a baguette. Costco sells the bulk meatballs in the sauce options, and this is a great prep if you're feeding multiple people or you want leftovers that reheat well. For gym people, you can keep it protein forward by using more meatballs and less bread, or turn it into a bowl over rice. At number 13, we have Aldi sheet pan kielbasa and vegetables. This is one pan, minimal cleanup, and it holds up in the fridge. Slice kielbasa, add broccoli or mixed veggies, roast, and you're done. This is perfect for anyone who hates doing dishes. It's also good if you want a savory meal that doesn't require complicated seasoning. At number 14, we have Costco barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches. This one is fast because you're using shredded rotisserie chicken and mixing it with barbecue sauce, then putting it on rolls. It's great for families and meal prep lunches, and the reason it's budget friendly is that one rotisserie chicken becomes multiple servings. If you want to keep calories lower, swap the roll for a wrap or serve it in a bowl with slaw. At number 15, we have Aldi tortellini pasta salad. This is a meal prep classic because it lasts 4 to 5 days without getting getting weird. Tortellini, chopped veggies, and Italian dressing, then portion it. It's great for work lunches, and it's good if you want something that feels like you bought it from a deli but you actually made it. Meal prep idea number 16 are Costco Japanese style tuna rice bowls. This is a great low effort lunch that still feels different. Heat sticky rice, add tuna, drizzle sauce, and add something crunchy or green on top. This is perfect if you're tired of eating chicken every day. It also works well for people trying to control spending because it stops the habit of buying lunch when you get bored. Meal prep idea number 17 are Aldi black bean and rice burrito bowls. If you want the cheapest and most filling prep, this is it. Beans, rice, canned tomatoes, frozen corn, and Greek yogurt as a sour cream swap. It's high in fiber, decent protein, and very affordable. This is perfect for students, anyone trying to cut costs hard, and anyone who wants meals that actually keep them full. At number 18, we have Costco sheet pan garlic butter shrimp with asparagus and potatoes. This is a good one when you want something that feels high-end but is still pretty simple. To make this, you're gonna roast potatoes, then add shrimp and asparagus at the end so it doesn't overcook. This is amazing for people who want variety and like seafood, and it's a strong option for higher protein without feeling heavy. Meal prep idea number 19 is Aldi lentil soup. This is the budget powerhouse. Lentils are cheap, high fiber, and can be surprisingly high in protein for the cost. Research notes lentils as one of the most protein efficient foods in meal prep sources, though exact grams per dollar can vary based on brand and price. You'll use dried lentils, canned tomatoes, frozen spinach, broth, and seasonings. This is perfect if you're trying to eat healthier, lower cholesterol foods, or you just want something filling that reheats well. At number 20, we have Costco high protein chicken and veggie bowls. This is a simple format that Costco staples. Use lightly breaded chicken chunks or a cooked chicken option. Also use stir-fry vegetables and portion into bowls. This is perfect for gym people because it's easy to hit protein targets. If you want lower calories, use more veggies in a smaller portion of chicken and keep sauces measured. Meal prep idea number 21 is Aldi freezer-friendly chicken enchilada style batch. This one is a lifesaver for future you. Use shredded chicken, tortillas, and sauce, assemble a batch, and freeze portions. It's also a smart way to prevent food waste because you're not relying on eating it all in the same week. This is perfect for families and anyone who gets hit with those nights where cooking feels impossible. Something important to note for safety and storage rules is that most refrigerated meal preps are generally safe for about 3 to 5 days when stored properly. Keep your fridge at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Freeze meals you will not eat within a few days, and label containers with the date so you do not end up guessing later. If anything smells off, looks off, or you're unsure, do not risk it. Something important to note about prices and what might change in 2026 is that some specific item prices in this topic can vary by region and can change very fast, especially with groceries. Also, some Costco details like executive membership structure and prices can change over time, and the document flags verifying certain leadership details before publishing. The strategy in meal formats stay true, but if you see exact prices on screen, double check them if you fully want to make sure before you head to the grocery store. Something important to note is that overall food prices rose 2.9% in 2025 and are forecast to rise about 3% in 2026. And grocery prices specifically are forecast to rise about 1.7% in 2026. Meanwhile, food away from home is forecast to rise much faster at 4.6%. That's why a few hours of planning can save you a lot of money. And it also saves you from the daily question of what am I eating today? Meal prep is not about eating boring food or living in containers. It's about making your life easier and your budget calmer. When groceries are still rising, but restaurants are rising faster, the wins come from having a plan that you can repeat fast. If you want the simplest approach, pick 2 breakfast preps, pick 2 lunch formats, formats, and pick 2 dinner batches, then rotate flavors so you don't burn out. If you're trying to build muscle, focus on the higher protein preps like chicken wraps, rotisserie chicken meals, shrimp sheet pans, and yogurt-based breakfasts. If you're trying to keep calories lower, lean into salads, cauliflower rice bowls, veggie-heavy soups, and portion snacks. And if you're feeding a family, go for the big batch meals and the freezer meals so the hardest nights can stop turning into expensive nights. The goal is not perfection. The goal is opening your fridge and instantly knowing you're covered.